Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush. And the use of this product is that it is a multifunctional glass coating, not just for windshields. Our cleaning brush effectively clears water from all glass surfaces, providing high clarity and visibility during adverse weather conditions. It has also lasting protection. Enjoy long-lasting protection from your vehicles. Unique design, easy to use, and versatile application. So as you can see right here, they claim a lot of things. Now let's head on over to the reviews down here, and as you can see, they have a lot of 5-star reviews and 1-star reviews. So right here, let's translate this all to English. So first of all, it was difficult to figure out how to get a solution of the sponge. Once I got it, I tried to use it as described, hoping it'd be easier to use the Therein X, but made a mess out of my windshield. I received the product today. When I opened the box, I didn't see any instruction guide. I examined the product. I found the instructions in Chinese. So this product is total waste of money. Brought this to clean my interior with my car. The sponge came off of the applicator within 10 seconds. Fell apart the first time using it. The sponge on the product broke. Don't get. And the glass cleaning board, and I don't know. These reviews are a bit of a hit or miss. However, I do think it is a scam since the price it is too good to be true. And yeah, you should buy it at your own risk. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.